Hey besties, welcome back to another video. I'm very excited about this one because we have had these braided styles for months, and every single time I put them on live, everyone says, can we remove the braids? My initial thought is, well, why would you want to do that? However, I did see somebody do it and it looks spectacular. I'm obsessed, so I'm going to show you today how to remove these braids and straighten them out so you now have a beautiful straight wig. All right, so first you are going to need some tools. Initially, I was just going to do it with a flat iron. However, a heat comb really comes in handy on this because you really need to get right at those roots. And then you will also need a wig brush. This is going to make sure that we are protecting those fibers. This style's name is Candra, and one of the things that I find the most special about doing this is all of this free parting space that you do have. I'm actually wearing Zira. She is the blonde wig that was with the braids, and I'm obsessed with how it turned out. Now she's totally free parting, so that is the thing that is a really big perk out of all of this. So I'm going to put her back on and we are going to get started. We're going to start by removing the braids, and something that really for me that held me back from doing it was because sometimes when they have the built-in braid, we don't really know what that hair is doing underneath. Like, does it have layers? Is it going to have some sort of like short hairs throughout? You don't really know what you're gonna get into. So now that we've actually tested it out, I know that it's totally safe to do so. So I'm just going to pull those braids out. Already looks so cute. And then remove this one. Something to keep in mind, initially when I did straighten these styles, I kept this middle part right here. And as I straighten it, I will show you how you can get that pre-plucked middle part with that free parting space and then actually turn it into a fully free parting wig as well. So we're just going to remove these braids. We have, I believe, 5 styles that are braided. Elara is still on the website, but the other styles actually have been retired. We have some left, so if you are interested in these styles for some exclusive access, head over to our email, customersupport@prettypomp.com, and you can claim some of these. I know for a fact that Zira is really close to being sold out if you love the blonde. All right, so I really recommend using a heat comb when it comes to wigs. However, in this case, we want to make sure that we are really flattening this hair out, and the heat comb is just going to take long to do so. So I've got it set to 350 degrees, and I'm going to work in about 1-inch sections. That way I'm able to get enough of the hair, but not too little, and never leave it on for too long. We want to make sure we are not melting those fibers. So you can see that I'm really working with that part right now. By keeping the sides in the middle, I'm able to create that pre-plucked middle part. This is a Futura Fiber as well, so it really can handle heat, which is really nice. It's also going to be a really nice feature when you do grab your heat comb, because if the ends got any like dry feeling or not so as smooth as before, the heat comb is really going to repair those ends, and that's definitely the perk of a straight wig. Okay, we are going to just speed through the rest of this to get it nice and smooth, and then we will go into that heat comb. Next up is the heat comb. As you can see, there's a lot of lift right here at the roots because of that style being built into the fiber. So now I'm going to just start at the root and smooth it out. This is at 355 degrees, and you can see that that is like the sweet spot. You definitely don't want to go higher than that. And as I mentioned before, if you are noticing that your ends are a little bit more like frizzy looking, a little bit dry, this is where that heat comb really comes in handy. You're going to just smooth out those ends, and it will just make the wig super silky soft and as good as new. Don't worry, those heat combs will be coming back on the website. They are a must-have in your collection, and you know, we always love a little bit of anticipation and excitement, right? Okay, perfect. So here is one side complete. You'll notice that it does have that pre-plucked middle part, so I'm going to repeat those steps on this side, and then I will show you how to make this fully free parting wig. Also, after seeing those really cute crimps, it makes me want to braid like the rest of one of these wigs and then just create this really cute curled style. I feel like there's so many possibilities. That was something I really liked about our last chance sale, is that there were some project wigs in there, but it's really fun to make those wigs your own. And I'd love to hear from you guys for those last chance wigs, or the styles that you got. Which ones do you guys want some help kind of playing around with? I know for me, I would love to take Rory and thin her out and straighten her. I think she could be so cute that way. Also, you might notice here that I am angling that hair backwards because I'm going to be getting it ready to do that full free parting style. Now that that step is complete, I'm going to be taking out that pre-plucked middle. For me, I love to be able to move my hair around and really create as many like a side part, like a deep side part, either way. What I'm going to do is start creating a different direction for the hair. So by angling it backwards, I will be removing that part. I'll go from like side to side. That way it's not locked into any specific position anymore. For the braided wigs too, I really struggled when it came to them laying flat right on my forehead. It was just something that I couldn't keep flat on the forehead. So many people post these beautiful selfies and it just was not working for me at all. So I was really relieved when I put this wig on after we had taken the braids out and done this, because suddenly it was like a luxury style with all of that free parting space. It definitely hits a lot of key points when you're looking for like more of a luxury style wig by having that free parting space, the pre-plucking, and that Futura Fiber. The moment of truth. Are we obsessed or are we obsessed? I cannot get over it. I absolutely love the transformation of this. It does have that nice free parting, so I can move her from side to side, which is really, really nice. I would suggest using a wig grip here so you can really have your flipping moments. So these are actually not even available on our website anymore, but you can email me, customersupport@prettypomp.com, so you can get your hands on this style. We do have Elara still on the website, but if you do want any of the other colors, definitely shoot us an email. We have brown, black, blonde, and red. Blonde is almost sold out. Speaking of website, have you guys seen our new website? It officially launched yesterday. We are obsessed with it. It looks so, so good. I cannot wait for you guys to be able to just have the best shopping experience ever. We would love some feedback. Go leave a review. We do have that feature now, which is very, very nice because I know a lot of people want to see our customer reviews. So make sure you guys head over there right now. What are you doing? Why are you still here?